Today we're going to be working on a 2001 Honda CR-V. Going to be replacing the lower motor mount. Car here. Actually doing a lot of other work on it right now, but the video will be just for the lower front motor mount. It's located in front of the front wheel here. I already got most of this taken off and loosened up. You got to remove this plastic panel on the bottom, and it's just held in by these clips. Oops. They push into the hole. And then there's a little plastic nut you tighten them up with. I just took an impact and put it on this nut, but you can just take it off with a ratchet. Just a nut and a washer. It's going to be 2 bolts up here. And also, to get this to just come off, this shaft right here actually has a you can see it's like a nut or a bolt head, and if you take a deep well socket, which this one's a 14, you can put it right on there and put a wrench on that and loosen it up, and that whole bolt then comes out, and all you got to do is loosen up this bolt and the one on the other side, and then this piece just comes down. As you can see, this was very deteriorated. There's a bolt. This goes right in there. I just have to remove these bolts that hold the mount. Doing this one-handed here. have it. In case you didn't see that belt fall off, that motor mount's actually got to be removed to replace one of these belts. I don't know which one this one was for without looking at it. I think it might have been the AC belt. But anyways, if you're just looking to replace the motor mount, that is the procedure. Pretty easy. Gotta take that wheel off also. Like I said, I already had most of this vehicle apart because I was doing a head on it. There you go. Left front motor mount, Honda CR-V.